Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can view your statistic of rank match. So first, click the rank match button at the right of your screen. This is a rank match page. As you can see, this is my current rank Pro 5. So you have to click the data details at the bottom. This is your statistic of rank match. As you can see, this is my statistic. Currently I'm playing on Pro 5 rank match. This is my statistic: match played 52, match won 42, etc. This is my rank weapon. That's my favorite weapon on a rank match. And also there is a rank history from 2019 until now, this season 2023. You can see your own rank history in data details on information of your rank. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.